Hi, it's Lee Reams with CountingWorks Pro with another new feature tutorial. So this one, we're going to talk about tags and the way you can use these both to identify and filter clients, make it easier to search. You can save time, obviously, and you can do some targeted marketing and or sharing documents or messages via the Client Hub. So let's talk about this a little bit. So you'll see when you're in the Client Hub, from your dashboard, you'll see a new area called Add Tag. If you click on Add Tag, this modal drops down, and here are 4 tags that I've already created for this particular dummy client. Let's say I want to have a real estate tag. I hit real estate, I have it gray, and now I've created a new tag for this particular client. So now they have that tag. If I wanted to say, okay, they're also a 1040 client, I add 1040, and now you'll see multiple tags on this client. So that's the basics for setting it up. We are adding here in a future sprint very soon the ability to import your database with the tags already pre-populated. We're adding the ability to share documents to multiple clients. That's happening as well. So this is just the beginning of organizing your clients. So let's now go back to the main Client Hub dashboard. And now at the main Client Hub dashboard, you'll see a couple items here. First of all, we have the ability now to do advanced filters, and here is where you can filter based on a tag. So let's say I just want to see my 1040 clients, and now quickly we'll just show my 1040 clients. If I wanted to see someone who was 1040 and real estate, which is what I put on Haley, it would obviously do that at the same time. If I wanted to now just delete these, I just click the X and it would show all my clients. You'll see the tags here in the main interface here, and there's a couple other things you can do with this. So in message clients, you now have the ability to select by the tag. So let's say I wanted to pick all my 1040 clients. I click on it, and let's say I wanted my 1040 plus my real estate clients. That would then add, I have 2 clients that have been tagged that way right now. It would add them into a kind of a filtered list, but I can now send either a Client Hub message, which would be a secure message. I'll just put some dummy copy in here. Or I could send what I would call like a marketing email, non-secure message. So if you wanted, again, to hit a segment of your clients very quickly with a marketing like message, you could do that here. So that's very helpful. I'm now going to go to the main dashboard. This is my demo account, so I don't have a bunch of information, but we added these filters at your main dashboard as well. So here on the top left, if I scroll down here and I go to the filter tools, you'll now see the ability to filter by tags. So if I just wanted to look at my 1040 clients by filter in my inbox, I could do that. We have added the same thing here on the documents to review as well. So making this super easy for you. We're going to add and expand on this. This is kind of the MVP of the tagging tool. We hope you enjoy it. Again, keep the feedback coming. We'll continue to expand this product, best in class for the industry. So we hope you appreciate the work. We'll talk to you soon.